Here today with our latest folding electric bicycle, the EVELO Dash. The Dash offers all the features and technology one would expect from EVELO electric bicycles. A compact mid-drive motor system is at the heart of this folding bike, offering a powerful 70 Newton meters of torque and 350 watts of power. This is more than enough power for a small, compact, and lightweight folding bike. Mid-drive motors are the most efficient e-bike systems available and allow for more gearing reduction, torque, and overall power at a given wattage rating. Belt drive systems are the latest in bicycle technology and provide smooth and quiet operation, all while needing no adjustment or lubrication. The Gate CDX belt drive system delivers the power from the mid-drive motor to the rear wheel, where it meets a simple and reliable Shimano 3-speed hub. This drivetrain package is absolutely maintenance-free and requires no adjustments, lubrication, or maintenance of any kind. Folding bikes tend to get bounced around a little bit during transportation, so reliable components are key. The Dash includes oversized hydraulic disc brakes for smooth braking and ample stopping power, along with a handlebar-mounted throttle to get you moving before you start pedaling. You also get torque sensing pedal assist, which gives the rider the smoothest feel and assistance possible. And the larger tires are great for a wide variety of terrain, but still maintain the look and feel of a traditional bicycle. Folding the Dash is easy. First, remove the saddle and seat post assembly, then raise the kickstand. Then you want to fold the whole bike in half. Finally, fold the handlebars down into their lowest position. You can then remove the battery to lighten your load a little bit when you want to lift it in and out of your vehicle for transportation. The Dash is covered under EVELO's leading 4-year, 20,000-mile warranty and comes ready to ride right out of the box. It's a great option for anyone looking for a compact and convenient electric bicycle.
Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? Stream is back. It is yours. Stream UR is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding Stream UR is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. Stream UR is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. Stream UR is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage.
This is the next generation of Cyrusher foldable electric bike. A powerful, smooth, and versatile beast of the road. Easy to assemble and adjust to fit you perfectly. A durable aluminum alloy suspension frame. 3-spoke mountain bike rims that are great for all terrains. Cruising on concrete, off-road on dirt roads, or even riding in sand or snow. Equipped with 6 different speed settings. disc brake system, secured and safe for braking. Three working modes. Easily switch and control between regular riding mode, pedestal assistant mode, and throttle modes. Smart bike computers with a mirror, horn, front bike lights make it phenomenal for night riding. The built-in 48V 10AH large capacity battery is removable and super easy to charge. It's fitted with aluminum alloy chain wheels for those tough terrains. Foldable frame, handlebars, and pedals make it really easy to store in small places like a train, bus, or car trunk.
The EVELO Quest Max. The Quest Max features EVELO Motion Drive, which combines the benefit of a mid-drive motor by the pedals and an internally geared hub in the rear wheel. These two components are tied together with the Gates carbon belt drive system for the ultimate reliability. Folding bikes tend to get knocked around a bit when being transported, so the CVT hub and belt drive are invaluable since they won't get knocked out of adjustment. With extra heavy-duty spokes, meaty tires, and oversized disc brakes, the Quest Max has a sturdy feel and is a great choice for riders of any size. Folding the Quest Max is quick and easy. First, you fold the bicycle in half with the main latch. Then, you fold the handlebars down with the front latch. Remove the seat post and you're ready to load. When the bicycle is folded, you also have the ability to remove the battery if needed. On the handlebars, you'll find a fully featured LCD display panel along with a throttle on the left-hand side. The Quest Max offers 5 levels of adjustable pedal assistance along with throttle on demand at any time. The Quest Max is a great option for anyone looking for a capable mid-drive folder that can tackle any riding conditions, but remains portable for convenience. With the EVELO industry-leading 4-year 20,000-mile warranty and our 10-day trial period, getting an electric bicycle has never been easier or as worry-free as it is today.